Well guys, lambing season has officially begun. Our first ewe, Enya, has just had twins. She's dropped them on the ground and I haven't gone out to see because I don't want to upset the situation, but she's cleaned them off and they are moving, not up yet. So let's go take a look. There you can see she's busy cleaning away. Lots of movement from them, which is a huge improvement over last year where she lost both her babies. She is a great mom. This is her 5th time now. We chalked last year up to a fluke. That one that she's licking right now is definitely a ram. I can see his horns. I'm just going to quietly approach. I don't want these little troublemakers going over and bothering her. These are last year's. They are not bred this year. And we always are skeptical as to whether we should leave them in. We've got 3 young girls in here. As you can see, Vaggie hasn't been shorn yet. But everybody is just peacefully resting out here. Nobody's bothering her. She chose an absolutely gorgeous sunny day. We're almost 14 degrees. She's already got those babies so cleaned off. And you can see there, she's got some big full udders for them. So provided they get up and start figuring her out, I'm not going to interfere at this point. We're just going to watch and see what happens. Definitely one boy. I can't see that other one. And the second one looks like a boy too. You got 2 little boys. And the turkey vulture's already circling. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Good girl, Enya. You can see that little boy there with his head resting on his brother. There's a nice little gray there. Look at that gray nose. That's what we look for. They're always going to start out black. But if you see that gray lip, they will end up a gorgeous gray later. That 2-ton Tony right there. Annie is definitely next. She's got udders and we are watching her closely. I foresee that she's going to go in the next day or 2 as well. It's funny. And is more concerned with what Ivy is doing over there, rolling around in the dirt. I don't think she wants the cat anywhere near her and her babies right now. Do you, girl? Hi, Mama. You're such a good mama. So close, so close. Here we go. Oh. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at. Oh. Oh. That one seems okay. Let's see what's going on here. Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm making a huge shadow. Oop. You scared him. I scared him. There you go, bud. Up we come. That's it. Oh, up, up. Oh, oh. So close. Good mama. Good girl, Enya. She's also one of my best milkers, so that's part of why she's so quiet and she has her collar on. But I would like to see them get up. I don't want to scare her away, but we're just going to try and give these guys a little hand getting up. Come here, Enya. Come on, sweetheart. I know James, my film man, is not somebody she knows super well, so she's being very cautious.
Look at those cute little innocent babies.
There we go. Just stay up. Stay up. Oh, there we are. Here he goes. They just need that little bit of extra help. Let's see if this one will.
Look at those beautiful little babies.
Come on, up we come. Let's see. Yeah. A little bit more.
Oh,
What's that?
oh,
There you go.
having a bit of trouble standing.
Yeah, but it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, there you go. They're both making very nursing actions. They want to get to the teat and start drinking, but they need to get up first. Oh,
Oh, but look at those cute little babies.
there we go.
Hey, Enya.
Anyways, we're gonna keep working with it and keep puttering and see how we do. So this little guy here just didn't seem to have his eyes open. So we went and we got some warm water and a nice clean cloth and gave it a wipe till I could get him open. And boy, it was like night and day. All of a sudden he was like, hey, I'm in the world. And now he is just trying to motor. Aren't you, bud? Are you trying to motor? Are you trying to motor? You're just so darn cute. Oh, cute babies. That's the one that had his eyes stuck shut. And boy, he is trying to figure it out now. Let's see if he can figure it out. Oh, he's... Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you? There you are. He's so close, that one in there. Oh, he's on it. He's got it, Enya. Oh, you let go. You moved. Well, we're definitely up and about. She managed to get across the pasture to the barn with these guys. Somebody's already claimed one as a little snuggle bum.
This is Bartholomew.
Bartholomew indeed.
Bartholomew. Bartholomew.
But I think they are both doing great. They're now about 5 hours alive, or 5 hours out of womb, I suppose you could say, and certainly thriving. There's Bartholomew coming over to make some new friends, but Mom is definitely sending him away. He's actually, I guess, her nephew, so... But Enya's just brought her two out of the barn, so everybody's having a meet and greet. Pretty uneventful, to be honest.
Yep.
She finally got it out.
Oh, no need to be hung up.
Oh, and
Probably.
she's looking after it. I did have to go in and just get her up. Like, the baby came out, but not all the way, and she kind of just was like, I'm done.
Mm-hmm.
But as soon as I walked in there, she stood up, and the baby fell the rest of the way out. And apparently it was a tough job. Not bad for first timer. I can't actually tell if it's a boy or a girl because it doesn't have big horns, but it's big. First time for these two girls. They're coming out of the barn to join the rest of the flock. Two gorgeous little girls for Addie. Well, here comes the others to meet and greet. Oh, and look at that. The lamb races have begun. Little Jonas, that white one's a lot smaller, but boy, he is fast. Oh, everyone's coming over to see the new babies. See if they can re-find their mom. Oh, someone's confused. There we go. And back with Mama. So in typical hickory crop fashion, this is one of those little lambs that you just saw, and we are out in the middle of black fly season, but there are a lot of lambs running around here. We've had a fantastic lambing season, a few ups and downs definitely, as there always is, but there is something about having all these little guys running around and having a great time, and finally it feels like spring has sprung on the homestead.